So before I sign off, I just want to say one thing. I love AV Cabinetry. I've been with them for, this is my 6th or 7th kitchen. The product is unbelievable. The support is unbelievable. I believe that this is probably, if not the best in the nation, pretty darn close as far as value, price, product, and service and quality. We have flipped homes, and we're going to stay in this room. This kitchen is very cozy. We love it, but you will not be unhappy at all. If you're trying RTAs for the first time, you're going to find that they're far superior than most what a builder will give you, even in nice developments. So thanks, Dino and the gang. Finally have come to the end. We have about probably a total of 2 weeks of install and all of the finishing touches on this kitchen here. It was a complete redo, and all of this, of course, from my good friends from AV Cabinetry. Starting with the island here, the original island was half the size. It had no drawers. We added the 2 drawer banks, some touches on our own, a little bit of clapboard siding, or otherwise known as shiplap. And over here, we have a tray, and these are decorative doors that you can get from AV, which we use. And the front side of this is a microwave cabinet with a very nice drawer. The drawers are very impressive. And once again, cabinet. On this side of the island, we have the spice pull-out, which functions very well given that the cooktop is right here. Sometimes things swell, so we use our caulking. We still need to do some of that. And of course, one thing that we love, I do believe AV also has handles. We go above and beyond, and we've used this before, and they're about 1 pound each. They're beautiful, they're heavy. They kind of anchor the kitchen and the cabinets and make them look really beefy. So moving into, oh yeah, I'm sorry, I wanted to show that we have the corner kitchen cabinet with the Lazy Susan that we got, and this combination worked really well. And then, of course, we have the 3rd bank of drawers that we added. Very sturdy drawers, and that pretty much finished the kitchen. But we also added a butler pantry, and so these are pantry cabinets, which we again put the 1-foot toppers on, but lots of storage, very solid, easy to make, and that's about it for the project. This would have been $19,000 at a competitor. We got the whole kitchen for just under $10,000.